BYD's new Fang Cheng Bao Titanium 3 electric SUV sure has a funky design. At the moment, it's unclear if BYD plans to sell the Titanium 3 in other markets outside of China. The SUV has a 148 horsepower motor up front and a 268 horsepower motor at the rear. A rugged design immediately makes the Titanium 3 stand out from other BYD products. Customers will have the option to order a large storage roof box to carry a drone. BYD's Fang Cheng Bao brand is adding another model to its growing lineup, and this one might be the most compelling of them all. It's dubbed the Titanium 3 and was previewed earlier in the year when it was known simply as the Bao 3. It will be sold alongside the larger Bao 5 and Bao 8 models. Photos from China's Ministry of Industry and Information Technology reveal the small SUV has a rather rugged and flamboyant design. The front end has headlights that remind us of the current Honda Ridgeline and a blacked-out central area where a grille would ordinarily sit. However, as the 3 is all-electric, it doesn't need a grille anyway. BYD's designers have gone to town on the sides of the Titanium 3, crafting bulbous front and rear wheel arches that stretch into the front and rear doors, giving the SUV plenty of character. A set of black fender flares also stand out, as do the handful of different 18-inch and 19-inch wheels that will be available. The rear is perhaps even more unique than the front. LED taillights come standard, and there's a large storage box on the tailgate, but as it's square, it doesn't actually carry a spare wheel and might be used for carrying charging cables or other goodies. Like the front bumper, the rear one is finished in black plastic. Powering the new Fang Cheng Bao will be BYD's lithium iron phosphate blade batteries. Power will come from a front-mounted 148 horsepower, 110 kilowatts, electric motor and a 268 horsepower, 200 kilowatts, one at the rear axle. There's no word on how quickly the 3 will accelerate, but it has a quoted top speed of 125 miles per hour, 201 kilometers per hour. Chinese data reveals the Titanium 3 measures 4,605 millimeters, 181 inches, long, 1,900 millimeters, 74.8 inches wide, and stands 1,720 millimeters, 67.7 inches tall, with a 2,745 millimeters, 108-inch wheelbase. It tips the scales at 2,170 kilograms, 4,784 pounds, and as mentioned, will offer 18 and 19-inch wheels clad in 235/60 and 245/50 tires. It can also be optioned with a large storage box on the roof to carry a drone.